In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share live locations on Messenger. You can simply share your current location to your friends on Messenger in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Messenger app. Let's say you would like to send your live location to this person right here. Open your keyboard. Tap on this arrow right here. Then select this location button. You will have to first allow your Messenger app to access your location. Head into your settings and enable the location option on. Get back to your Messenger app. Tap right here to allocate and pin yourself anywhere on the map. Then tap on Send Location. Your friend will be able to see your current location you just sent to them. That's how easy it is to send live locations on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.